Mastering, must, navigating through strong obligations. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we are going to delve into a very interesting aspect of English grammar, modal verbs. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the modal verb, must, and how it's used to express strong obligations. This can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be able to use must like a pro. Before we dive into the world of must, let's refresh our memory about what modal verbs are. Modal verbs are helper verbs that express ideas like ability, permission, possibility, and of course, obligation. Some examples include can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and our star for today, must. Now let's zoom in on must. Must is a modal verb used to show a strong obligation, a necessity, or a requirement. When you use must, you're saying something is so important that it needs to be done. For example, if I say, "You must study for the test," I am saying it's absolutely necessary for you to study. Must is used to communicate an obligation that's imposed by the speaker. In other words, when the person speaking feels that something is necessary, they use must. For instance, a doctor might say, "You must take this medicine every day." Here, the doctor is insisting on the necessity of taking the medicine. However, keep in mind that must is not often used in questions. Instead of asking, "Must I come early?" we would typically say, "Do I have to come early?" When using must in negative sentences, it changes meaning. Must not, or mustn't, is used to indicate prohibition or to say that something is not allowed. For example, "You mustn't smoke in the hospital," means smoking in the hospital is strictly prohibited. And that wraps up our exploration of must and its role in expressing strong obligations. Remember, using modal verbs like must correctly can really level up your English, making it more nuanced and precise. Keep practicing and you'll soon get the hang of it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English grammar videos. Happy learning!